Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today I have a short lesson for you. We are going to look at the difference between habiter, vivre, demeurer in French. As usual, I have a free PDF for you. The link is going to be in the description box. And technically, I should have also the conjugation of vivre on my website with an audio of all the conjugation. The link will also be in the description box. If you want to check out all the verbs I've conjugated on my website, I have quite a lot. I try to add a few every week-ish, every month. So just go back and check it out sometimes. It's very useful. Okay, let's start with vivre. Vivre means to live. And it refers to existence or lifestyle, but it's often used to describe life in general, a way of living or condition of life. But it can totally be about where you live specifically, okay? It's a way of living, it's general. You can really use it for plenty of things. Let's see. Je vis en France. Je vis en France. Elle veut vivre une vie paisible. Elle veut vivre une vie paisible. Okay? So here we're not talking about living somewhere as a place, as a physical place. It's more the idea, the way of life, okay? Which is exactly the same as in English, by the way. Ils vivent ensemble depuis 10 ans. Ils vivent ensemble depuis 10 ans. Now let's see habiter. Habiter means to live or to reside. It specifically refers to where you live. So habiter focuses on physical residence, such as an address, city, or building. It's often followed by a preposition like à, dans, ou chez. J'habite à Paris. J'habite à Paris. On habite dans un appartement. On habite dans un appartement. Tu habites chez tes parents? Tu habites chez tes parents? You probably think, oh, quite similar. They can be used the same way. Let's go back and look at the three examples that we had for vivre. Je vis en France. Elle veut vivre une vie paisible. And ils vivent ensemble depuis 10 ans. Let's replace it with the verb habiter. J'habite en France. Works perfectly. J'habite en France. Elle veut vivre une vie paisible. Elle veut habiter une vie paisible. So here, this one doesn't work. Because here it's more an idea. So we can't use habiter because habiter really refers to something specific when in terms of living situation, okay? Physical living situation. Ils vivent ensemble depuis 10 ans can be replaced by habiter as well. Ils habitent ensemble depuis 10 ans. Does it make more sense? It's quite an easy one, it's just that, habiter is more specific than vivre. That's just the way it is. Now let's have a quick look at demeurer. To dwell or reside. It's a more formal way to speak. While it's similar to habiter, it is a synonym. It's less commonly used in everyday language and it often appears in more literal or poetic context. It can also mean to remain, which is good to know. I'm just going to put that out there as someone who speaks French every day because it's my first language and also because I'm a French teacher and I've written countless of French books. I don't remember the last one I used demeurer, so maybe don't use it too much if you don't want. If you want to sound natural, maybe use more vivre or habiter for sure. Let's see 3 examples. Elle demeure à Bruxelles depuis 3 ans. Elle demeure à Bruxelles depuis 3 ans. Le roi et la reine demeurent dans un château. Le roi et la reine demeurent dans un château. La question demeure sans réponse. La question demeure sans réponse. So, in this case, remains. Okay? That's it. Quite an easy lesson. So remember that vivre is more like a broad, it's more about condition of life, idea of living, a little bit everything, while habiter is very specific for physical places where we live. Okay? As usual, don't forget to download your free PDF to keep and review, and I will see you again next Wednesday for a quick announcement before the end of the year. À mercredi prochain.